So we have your giveaway up and running on Kingsumo. You have put a little post out on your Facebook page and on your Instagram. Now what do? Well, in this video, what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you how to get more eyes on these prizes. And I want to start off with a question that came in as I was doing this. It was Mark. So I've got a MailChimp. I'm not paying for MailChimp, so I can't have different audiences. I can only have one audience. How can I tell a giveaway enter from a previous guest? And that's what I want to start off with first by showing you. So I'm not going to share anybody else's email addresses, only mine on this. But once you've got somebody that has entered, all you need to do is you need to add a tag. And you can add the tag, really super simple, giveaway, August 2021. You can do that. And what that means is that anybody on your list that has that giveaway, then you know that they've entered via the giveaway. And you can super simple to sort it out, because in the list of your audience, it will say API and it will give you the date as well. So anybody that has entered between the dates that we're doing the giveaway, which is the 2nd to the 9th of August, you know they've entered via the giveaway because it's got the API as well. So one of the first things that I'm going to get you to do, actually, if you have an email list, is email out to everybody on your list that hasn't got the tag giveaway August 2021 that you are currently running a giveaway. It's a super way to keep your email audience interested and engaged. Super simple email, send it to them with a link to your giveaway. Really easy. So that's the first way. So we've tagged and we've done that. And the next thing that you're going to do is we're going to go into, let me just get rid of these. We're going to go into your Facebook. And what we're going to do is you're going to go into the main Facebook page and you're going to go into groups. Okay. So when you're in groups into here, what you're going to do is you're going to go and search for groups. So we are going to look for a couple of different styles. You're going to look for one local group, you're going to look for one giveaway group, and you're going to look for one that's niche. So free competitions and giveaways, this is a good place to start. So what you're going to do is you're going to come and you're going to join the group. The first and foremost, make sure that you read the rules. So please follow the links to enter the rules. No raffles. We are not being sport. They're not allowed in UK gaming laws. Facebook will remove and ban groups who use promote them. So again, we're going to make sure that we're not going to do any raffles. And I think that literally is it in terms of yep, good. Okay, so what we're doing, this group is a good one to do. We're going to go and join that group, and then what we're going to do is we're going to basically pop a little post into here, and what we're going to do is we're going to link them straight to here. So win local goodies, locally sourced prices from in on the way. Lots of different variations. You can add more, you can keep it little, it's totally up to you. The main thing is to get the link so people can go into there. You're going to post it up, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go and take that one, and then you're going to go and find a local Facebook group to where you're based, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go and find a niche one. Okay, so a local Facebook group. So we're into, let me just have a quick look on the map. We go find a town nearby, so Gloucester. Okay, so we're near Gloucester, so I'm going to come back into Facebook. I'm going to go into groups. Okay, and we're going to see what local groups are nearby. There's the Gloucestershire Marketplace, 3.4 thousand people. Please always read the group rules. Please report scammers. Please note, add friend. Get your business noticed. We're not going to pin it. So it looks like they do allow business posts, which is good. So I'm going to join the group, and I'm going to put the post up in there again, directing them back to the page here. Now you've got two options. You can get them to Kingsumo, or you can direct people to the post that you have on Facebook with you talking about the giveaway, which is right here. Totally up to you on how you do this. So you're going to go and do 3 Facebook groups in total. So you're going to have a competition one, you're going to have a local one, and you're going to find a niche one. So a niche one would be something along the lines of holiday accommodation, etc., etc. So to drive people back to it. Okay, then you're going to do that every single day of the giveaway. Now, what I like to do is I like to set up a little Google Sheet on the computer, and I'll just post in the links to where I've sent people to, so I'll know that I'm not spamming the same group every day. Because what I'll do tomorrow is I'll go find a different giveaway group, I'll go find a different local group, and I'll go find a different niche group, and I'll mix up the copy, I'll change the text, and I'll change the images. And again, with the beauty of websites such as Canva, where it makes it so easy to create an image, like Canva, Canver, you can easily mix up the image and make it stand out. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm making sure that I'm not just posting once on social media. I'll post on my Facebook and my Instagram pretty much every day to drive people back to the giveaway. That's what we're looking to do here, driving people back to the giveaway as much as possible. So again, I'll put another little post out on Facebook, put another post out on Instagram every single day, just to let people know that through these 5 to 7 days of us running this, we have got a giveaway up and running. And again, just make sure you've got your image, a bit of copy, doesn't have to be a lot, but then it drives people back to it. So through email, and you can send that email out once to the people that haven't entered the giveaway already, through Facebook groups, through posts on social media every day, you will drive people back to your competition. And through that, you're going to have a giveaway that works. You're going to have more and more people coming back and talking about it. Now, there's one final thing that I want to show you to do, and this is something that you can do at any point during your giveaway. So say we're on day 3 or day 4 of the giveaway now. What you're going to do is by day 3, you should have had a fair amount of people joining, whether it's 10, 100 or 1,000. All that you're going to do on day 3, so it's important that you do this 3 days in, so it gives chance to get people to enter. You're going to come in where it says bonus entries, and what you're going to do is you're going to add in another, a couple of other entry items. Now, whatever this may be. Now, the one that I like to do is to send people to a website, because by now, if they're coming back and they're going to be getting the email notifications from Kingsumo, so if you get people keep coming back to say, right, go and visit the website, and then for that, they're going to get, say, 10 points. All right, that's really powerful, because when you add in a new one, Kingsumo will send an email out to everybody who's entered a giveaway saying, in on the Y, have added in more ways to win. And by day 3 or by day 4, somebody will be invested into this giveaway and they'll want to win. And they'll know that there's free prizes up for grabs. They'll know that more and more people can potentially win this, so they're more likely to enter. So go and add in something that you want somebody to go to, whether that is go and check availability, maybe, or it is go visit our website. Start to now talk about the business. And another cool thing as well, on day 3 and day 4, anybody who's entered the giveaway, you can also send out an email to people that have entered the giveaway just to be a little hello. Send out a little hello. Say, hey, we are in on the Y. This is what we do. So just introduce yourself, because a lot of the people will be entering this giveaway cold. Now, what I'm going to do the next time that I come back and next time that I show you this giveaway, I'm going to show you it right at the very end, and I'm going to show you some final things that what you can do in this Boostly Tune-Up series to try and get a sale, try and get a purchase, whether that is somebody booking a meal or X, Y, and Z. So we're going to come back to this next week, and I'll hopefully be able to show you some people that have given away. We'll look at the numbers, and I'll show you how to finish off a giveaway on something like Kingsumo. So every day we're going to post on social media, use the Facebook groups. It's only going to take about 10 to 15, 30 minutes max, so not a lot to put in, but it's going to have maximum benefits. So thank you for stopping by. I'll check in with this next week, but until then, as always, stay proactive, don't be reactive, and let's go and get some direct bookings.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.